100% possible. Look at here. $160 PayPal payment. $200 PayPal payment. Another $200 PayPal payment, as well as a payment of $90 through PayPal. And, believe me, this isn't rocket science. You can earn more than $600 per day just by watching YouTube videos. The secret I will show you exposes everything you need to know to make this work and start earning money using PayPal right away. Welcome to Money Palav. I brought to you another exciting video. If it is your first time here, first of all, welcome to the best channel on YouTube that teaches you the best ways to make money online. Make sure to complete 2 simple tasks. To be our next big winner, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bells. We choose the first commenter on each video and award cash as well as thousands of dollars in prizes, courses, and other rewards. However, you will only be the first to leave a comment. If you subscribe, please turn on the bells and leave a comment on each video, as well as one quick favor for me. For the YouTube algorithm, tap the like button until it turns blue. It enables us to show these videos to more lovely people like you. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $600 in as little as a day or a week, simply by watching videos on YouTube. And I understand if that sounds impossible to believe. But if you stick with me for the next 10 to 12 minutes or so, I'll not only prove it to you, but I'll also show you several methods to expand this and start making even more money. There is no requirement for a website or a credit card. This can be done from anywhere around the world. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen about how to make money online. So, without wasting more time, let's get this started by logging onto my computer right here. But it has to be done quickly. Last but not least, please leave your comments on this video in the comment section below. Comment "Make money online." And if we get 1,000 comments saying "Make money online," we'll release a part 2 even crazier version of this video the next time we actually put out a video. But only if we get 1,000 comments saying "Make money online." So, guys, let's get onto my computer and I'll show you exactly how this works. Step by step, simple process. Let's get started. So, if you're new to YouTube, I'm wondering where you've been all this while. Assuming you're new to YouTube, video games are one of the most popular, if not the most popular, categories. Do you think so? It is extremely popular among gamers. On YouTube, consumers watch more people playing video games than pretty much any other category. And, as you probably know, YouTube is one of the top 2 most visited websites on the planet. So if you think you're familiar with TikTok or some of these other websites, think again. True, but YouTube is still far behind the competition in terms of video consumption. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to try something completely different. So if you type most popular video games into Google, you'll discover that there are a lot of different games, right? These are the video games kings. As you can see, there are games like Minecraft, Fortnite, and Grand Theft Auto. So if we take a closer look and think about it for a moment, right? Minecraft is a hugely popular video game. It has a great community. When they sold to Microsoft, it sold for billions and billions of dollars. They're obviously improving their infrastructure, and they have access to all of Microsoft's systems and processes, as well as tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of workers. In that case, let's choose Minecraft. But, I'd like to show you how this works. If we go to a free program called Google Keyword Planner, we can check how many times people type things into Google and YouTube, which will be relevant in a minute, right? So continue to listen for the next 5 minutes. Because if you can't watch a 5-minute video on how to make money online, you'll most likely never earn money online. Simple as that. So, what we're going to do is come in here and type in something like Minecraft into the search box. We're going to hit the button to see what happens. And, as we can see here, Google will show us that Minecraft is searched for over 5 million times every month, right? The average number of searches each month. Then we can as well search Fortnite to see what comes up, and we'll see that Fortnite is searched over 4 million times each month, right? There is an incredible amount of search volume with tens of millions of searches per month. So what we're going to do now is utilize Minecraft and Fortnite as example, and I'll teach you how to make money doing that. In fact, building a website is one of the most difficult aspects of making money on the internet. Many of us don't have credit cards to use for this type of thing, but we all have time to invest in developing passive streams of income, right? And then, after you start making a few cash, a few $100s, maybe a few $1,000s, you can put that money back into yourself by enrolling in digital courses and learning about digital marketing, e-commerce, or other more scalable ways to generate income. But right now, we're going to talk about something called a paid URL shortener, right? And the way this works is that you can take any link on the internet and shorten it, correct? Bit.ly is a similar service to this, but the difference is that Bitly will not pay us as this one does. Right? So, instead of going directly to the destination, those who click that link are taken to a bridge page. When people actually click on the links you generate, a bridge page shows them a brief ad before taking them to their final destination. After watching those advertisements, proceed to their final destination. Then you get paid every time that visitor clicks on your link. And it's as simple as that. As you can see on this website, which is the site we'll be using today, is called edexcel.co. Right now, we can see that you can earn anywhere from $1 to $5 for 1,000 clicks on the specific link, right? Then consider how much money you could make with 10,000 clicks. 10,000 may seem like a lot, but it's not. However, if you do it correctly, you will enjoy the benefits. So, once this type of video goes viral on any forum and you begin to make money, you can scale it up by hiring virtual assistants to help you in additional ways. It's actually not as difficult as you may think. In addition, every time you refer a friend to this service, you will receive 20% of their earnings for the rest of their lives. So we're going to go to excel.co, where you can see right here that you can shorten URL and earn money, right? So all we have to do now is find a URL to put here, which we'll show you how to do in a minute. So if we come in here on YouTube and type in Minecraft, here is what gets. So as you can see right here, these videos are getting thousands and thousands of views in hours and in less than a day, right? So there are people just watching numerous amounts of Minecraft every single day. And so what we're looking for is something that's a little bit more viral, like 1 million views. You know, we're looking for something that has close to 1 million views in a day. So we are going to filter the search to the videos posted today and the view count, right? As you can see here, many videos are getting millions of views in one day. So take one of these viral videos, right? One of these videos already has a numerous amount of interest. Now we would take the link from this video right here, and we would put it into edexcel.co, right? Because these are videos people are already watching. Videos that people are already interested in. Videos that people are already clicking on, right? And so somebody else is working very hard to create this interesting, engaging content that people who are interested in Minecraft are actually going to consume and watch anyways. You don't need to make videos yourself. You don't need a website. You don't need a credit card. You don't need any of that, right? All you have to do is just shorten the link of something that already exists. And then every time that already interesting content gets clicked and watched, you get paid. So what we're going to do is we are going to sign into my account here on edexcel.co. Go to the dashboard. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that YouTube video that has thousands and millions of views already in just a few hours or anything and put it right here. And we're going to press shorten. And now what is going to happen is it's going to give us a short link right here. If you click on the link, it will show some ads, right? So whenever people click on the link and view those ads, you earn money, and then they can just click on a button to proceed to the next page. You understand? So now, how are we going to get people to click on our shortened links, right? So that's what I'm going to show you. But please, before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you comment down below. Make money online. We get 1,000 comments, then we will create a new video that might even more lucrative than this method. Also, make sure you like this video and click on the subscribe button and turn on the bells. That's only if you're enjoying this video, but don't if you don't want to. But just know that I'm really working hard to release quality videos every single week. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to where the people are. So here on Google, just search Minecraft forums. You can see that they have Minecraft forums right here. So for example, let me open this one right here. You can see that this has 599,836 posts with a lot of views and replies, which is just absolutely insane, right? In the discussion, people are posting all the time, creating threads. You know, there are other very popular video games, mostly in the US, is very popular. You know, you can open other sites and you can see even more popular ones to post our links. And write some like, here's a fantastic new video that I saw for the first time. Check it out, right? And it's already engaging, interesting content, and a lot of these game crazy lovers will surely click on your links daily, and you will continue making money every single day. Most importantly, try to check other game forums such as PC Gamer Forums. PC Gamer Forums gets over 20 million unique page views per month. Almost to 1 million unique page views every single day. Right. So there are tens of millions of people out there that are browsing and are looking for interesting content related to the actual things that they're interested in. Like Fortnite, Minecraft, and other popular video games. Just do more research so that you can increase your daily revenue. So the cool thing is you can shrink these links. Right. You can even create content on YouTube and push it to them. If you like creating content on Minecraft, you can share them on your social media. There are so many ways to actually do this. But it's cool because you can actually leverage already made content that people have already made and use already made forums that people already browse and make more money for yourself. Another bonus tip is that most social media sites do not like these types of links. Only if you want to post to sites such as Facebook, Instagram, etc. So that's why we are going to use a site like linkinfo.me. Linkinfo.me will not only help us in cleaning our links, but it can help us put more than one link on a single page, which will help us in making more money. You will not need to create your own website. A credit card is not required. You can now do it from any location in the world. Is this going to make you a rich? Almost certainly not. But the point of this is to start making some money when you have absolutely nothing that you can then reinvest into yourself. You can check out a course online or sites, such like Udemy, and learn about digital marketing or learn high income skills, right? Something that you can actually charge thousands or multiple thousands of dollars for, that you've actually perfected and that you're really good at and that you can do for a long term. And if you like to learn a business module that will earn you over $10,000 recurring monthly income online, then check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.